In this YouTube tutorial, you will learn how to integrate the Claude 3 AI model with a spreadsheet using a free Google Apps script with stepwise configuration. To initiate the configuration, first, we will go to the browser and search for console.anthropic.com. Here, the dashboard section of the website has been opened to you. As you will go to the Workbench section, the model setting will display to you from where you can select any of the model among all such as Claude Instant 1.2, Claude 2.0, Claude 2.1, Claude 3 Sonnet, Claude 3 Opus. Equally important, you can set the temperature and tokens of these AI models. The temperature of the model allows you to set the randomness of the model's prediction during text generation. Next, we will move towards the Settings section of the model, where we will click on the Plans and Billing option. Once you have clicked on the Plan and Billing option, you will be able to gain $5 that will be claimed as free credits. For this, you need to click on the Claim option and then have to fill in your phone number, and finally have to click on the Send Code button. Next to this, we will move towards the API keys option by clicking on it. As you can see, the API key is already generated here. Hence, when you click on the three-dot option, two options will appear, one to disable the API key and the other to delete it. To show you the configuration of creating a new key, we will delete this already created API key by clicking on the Delete API key and then the Delete option. Once it's deleted, you need to click on the Create Key button and give your key an appropriate name before clicking on the Create Key button. As the API key has been created, now you need to copy the key by clicking on Copy API for further operation. Furthermore, you have to open up the Google spreadsheet with which you want to integrate Claude 3 AI and give it an appropriate name. You can also check out our video on how to connect ChatGPT with Google Sheets using App Script from the I button. Next, go to the Extension button and select the App Script option. As you can see, the coding section of the App Script has been opened for you. So, we will save the project by giving it a suitable name and will paste the whole code as well. You can copy this entire app script code directly from the description box. Here, you need to paste the API key that you copied in the previous configuration of the video in front of our API_ key. Now, we'll click on the Save button to save the project and we'll click on the Run option as well. Here, you have to authorize permission for further procedure by clicking on the Review Permission button, selecting the desirable email ID, and finally clicking on the Allow button. As it is displayed here that the execution process has been started and completed within a very short time period. Once it's done, now, we will click on the Trigger button appearing on the side panel next to the alarm icon, and we'll select the Add Trigger button showing in the bottom right corner. Next, we'll select the On Edit option from the function dropdown, Head from Deployment, from Spreadsheet, from Event Source, and On Edit from Event Type before clicking on the Save button. Here, you will have to authorize the permission again to add the triggers, hence select the valid email ID and click on Allow button. As you will refresh the spreadsheet, you will see that two automated columns have been created in the spreadsheet, one for prompt and the other for automated response. Further, you have to give a prompt in the A2 cell just like we have given Add Two Numbers PHP code, and we'll press Enter. Here you can see on the screen that the automated generated response has been automatically filled in the B2 cell. For a cross-check, we will give another prompt in A2 cell, which is a character who loves reading finds out that their library has just been forbidden from carrying banned books for a story making. And you can see that the expected and auto-generated response has been filled in B2 cell again. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.